Almost every Portuguese village has a tale of Moura encantada, the Enchanted Moura, a supernatural that is under a spell promising a rich reward to anybody capable of breaking it and setting her free. Prepare a lemon wheel garnish. Collect a wine glass. Add 1 drop of celery bitters. Next is an equal measurement of sugar syrup and super sour. Vinho verde is a wonderfully light and refreshing wine from northern Portugal. White port brings wonderful floral and herbaceous undertones. Fill with cubed ice and stir for 5 seconds. Top with Fentimann's tonic. Gently churn to integrate all of the ingredients together. Dip taste. Top with further ice if required. Garnish with a lemon wheel. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.